What's up guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, do really consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates me to make more videos and turn on all notifications to get notified whenever I post new content on the channel. Now, in this video we're gonna talk about laptop stands. Now, these laptop stands range from almost 600 rupees to 1500 or 2000 rupees. Mostly we are going to talk about laptop stands which are having these flexible hinges which can be adjusted to different heights. Now I bought this laptop stand from Flipkart for 849 rupees and it gets my job done, to be honest. The only problem is that it's not a sturdy stand. Like if you just want to keep it somewhere in the side, it's okay, it's fine. But if you're someone who travels or does so many things, I think so it would be much difficult for you and it might end up breaking also at some point. Now let me show you guys this video which I have taken, like showing the sturdiness of the device. Now, if you guys go to Flipkart or Amazon, you guys are gonna see a lot more of the same thing but with rebranded name as well as a different price tag. I'll show you guys. Like in Amazon, you have so many of them, like 1699. It's the same thing actually. It's just rebranded and sold at different price points. So it's much better to buy it at a price of below 1000 or above 600 to not get a defective piece. Let's see in Flipkart. So in Flipkart you get the same thing for 649 rupees, 46 rupees. Again in Flipkart you will have another brand selling the same thing for 1799. It's the same thing guys, but only difference is it's a different brand as well as a different price tag. But when it comes to the quality of the product, I don't really think so it's gonna be anything different from what I have. So if you wanna buy a laptop stand, it would be much better to buy it under 1000 rupees. So that's it guys for this video. See you guys in another video. Also like the video and share it with your friends who might be thinking of buying a laptop stand.